Today we're here to celebrate a nice loving bird that been over there. Even though our dog bit the crap out of you, it was funny as a mug. And you died out of nowhere. I mean, you just lied there on the floor. I thought you was just like eating some worms or something, just laying there like, I'm full, and just laid there. But then I noticed you were dead when I poked you with a stick. I poked you with a stick. I thought you would wake up. I had to admit I was a little scared. But then I know she was dead. And my dog bit you. And ew, you look nasty. Yeah. My dog, she needs to brush her teeth after this horrible day you died. Hey, you got some water? You got some water? It was like, dang it, if I had my bottle of water, it was for you. Here's flower. Goodbye, bird. I'm for to bury you now. That's for the dead people. I mean, dead birds. Yeah, you deserve another flower. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna put you in a hole thingy. Ooh. Yeah. Just let it shower you. Let the dirt shower you. Yeah. That should do it. That should do it. Grab all that dirt. Just scrape it on in there. Yeah. Yeah. Pat. Ah. Let's get some more dirt on there. Make it look interesting. Like I never dug the hole up in this yard. And I won't get in trouble. I'm not getting in trouble because of you. If they ask, just say a mole did it. And he dragged you in there. There. A little decoration. Goodbye, bird.